Hey everybody, welcome back to another Ford Ranger video. Well, today's video is brought to you by LASFIT. They reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in testing a set of their switchback LED bulbs. And I, of course, said absolutely. So I chose a set for the 2002 Ford Ranger front turn signal. Now these are going to replace these bulbs right here. These are incandescent. And as you may or may not be aware, pretty much the rest of the truck is all LED, except for these side markers, which I may end up switching over to LED. And then these turn signals, which act as a running light, or a parking light, I guess you'd call it, and a turn signal. So they sent me these. I'm going to go ahead and open these up and switch them out. And there will be a link in the description for all you Ranger guys. A lot of you have been asking, where you could get these or if I would be interested in switching these out. So the time is finally here, so stay tuned. All right, this was very simple. I just opened up the package and I found that these are in fact polarity sensitive, so they will only work one way. So what I've done is I've plugged it in, and when the parking lights are on, they will be white, and when the turn signal is activated, they will switch to amber. So I know that it's going to be very difficult to see it right now, but I'm going to go ahead and switch everything over, both of these, and this is going to take probably a total of 5 minutes. And then later tonight when it gets dark, I will show you the final results, so stay tuned. All right, now that it's starting to get dark, you can see the difference. Here's the old incandescent amber when the parking lights are activated, and here's the new LED white when the parking lights are activated. But that's not the best part. Just look how much brighter that LED switchback is. Can you see it switching from white to amber? The old bulb doesn't do that. It just stays amber the whole time. Definitely looks a lot more modern. Now for both of them. And just real quickly, I'll add that these are actually very good quality. There's a little bit of weight to them. Seem to be well constructed. All finished. In real time, that takes no more than 10 minutes. As you can see, they're nice and bright. Like I said, good quality. I don't anticipate I'll have any trouble with them. I don't know if the actual switchback function is coming through on the video. Yeah, I guess it is. You can see it. Anyway, for all you Ranger guys that have been looking for something like this, here's your answer. I'll put a link in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. And once again, thank you to LASFIT for sponsoring this week's video. As always, we'll catch you on the flip side.